Most welcome.
Opportunity to present the presentation. So today my topic is on Gantt chart and brochure. Introduction. Gantt chart is one of the graphic representation of a project schedule in a Gantt chart. It is a specific kind of bar chart that displays the beginning and ending dates of various projects, components including resources, planning and dependencies. This is an example of Gantt chart.
How many overheads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is your event? What is your event about? What is your event about?
So this is about creating a blog and uploading it on social media. Next is brochure. A brochure is an information paper document for advertising which can be folded into a template, booklet or a leaflet. Brochures are marketing materials that are primarily used to introduce a business, organization, products or services and highlight the advantages. Here is an example of brochure. Here we can see that it's a trifold brochure. You can see it is a advertisement of discount which is given to the customer.
No, actually, what you made in the Gantt chart and what you are making in the brochure, that doesn't coincide. Yes.
They are different.
Do they coincide?
No, they are
Then
different.
they are different. Then you have to choose a single event or both are contained. Yes. You agree with this? You agree with this thing? So why it happen like this? You had misinformation.
I was not sure that you have
Okay, please carry on.
Conclusion. The main purpose of Gantt chart is to aid in the planning and scheduling of products of all kinds, but they are especially helpful for streaming complex projects, plans for resource management